Hey everyone, welcome to the 5th episode in our series about the Vistaprint website builder. I'm Ellen Greer, a product manager here at Vistaprint. Last time we talked about editing the global look and feel of your website. Today we're going to talk about pages and managing the pages on your site. So here I am in the builder. I'm going to go over to the Edit Pages menu. A website can be one page or it can have multiple pages. At minimum, it's got to have one. Here we have several pages preloaded with your template. To add a new page, you're going to click the Add Page button. You can start blank or use one of the pages that our designers have prefabricated for you. For example, gallery. So this is your gallery. We're going to save it right here. And now we're here on the gallery page on your website. Notice that gallery has been added to the navigation in the global header for your site. You can also navigate from the gallery back to home using this navigation tool at the top right. Returning to the Edit Pages menu, we can reorder pages by dragging and dropping. You can also delete a page by clicking right here. This has opened the page settings for our specific gallery page, and I can click Delete Page, that button at the bottom. Am I sure? Yes. All right, so now the gallery is gone. The last thing I want to show you is making a page a sub-page of something else. So for example, training and programs. We've gone into the page settings for training and programs. I want to make it a sub-page of About. So now I'm going to save. You can see Training and Programs is now below About here in this Pages menu. You can also see in our global header, there's this little caret right next to About. In Preview, I can see that Training and Programs is below About. It's a subpage. You can navigate right there. So to recap, today you learned about pages. You learned about adding, moving, deleting pages, and ordering pages so they can be a subpage of a top-level page. In our next episode, we're going to talk about previewing and publishing your beautiful website, so stay tuned. Thanks and see y'all later.